Baby Toothbrush. Bassion 6-pack food grade silicone by Bassion is one of the best sellers among baby toothbrushes products. Ensure the best oral hygiene for your child. Bassion Oral Massager delivers oral hygiene to your child like never before. Keep your child's teeth and gums clean and healthy and help them develop a good set of teeth and gums. Skin soft silicone used. Using this finger brush, no damage with teeth and gums of your child in the process of cleaning them. The manufacturer used only the softest silicone material that leaves your child's mouth free from mechanical damage when you use them. Do not worry about accidentally hurting your children. Appropriate size. The diameter of this toothbrush is 0.9 inches, about 2.1 inches long, and the brush part is 0.86 inches. It's very suitable for adult fingers of all sizes, and perfect size for baby's mouth. It can be used repeatedly and suitable for 0-24 months baby. BPA-free, FDA-approved material. The manufacturer only used BPA-free and FDA-approved materials in the manufacturer's products. The manufacturer do not and will never compromise the safety of your child, and you can be sure your child's safety is the manufacturer's top priority. Lifetime risk-free guaranteed. Your purchase is fully protected when you order today. All of the manufacturer's products come with a money-back guarantee. If you're not 100% satisfied, we'll give you 100% of your money back, no questions asked. Absolutely no hassle and no risk on your part.